Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Are you ready for our last week of school? So this week we are going to kind of shift gears a little bit. We've been talking about two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. But today we're going to talk about parts of a shape. So, for example, sometimes when you want to share food with someone, you'll cut it into parts. Come on over here, let me show you what I'm talking about. So here I have a piece of bread, and we're going to pretend that it's a sandwich. So sometimes when you cut a sandwich, you might cut it into equal parts, and sometimes you might cut it into unequal parts. So I'm going to take this piece of bread and I'm going to cut it. Now I have two parts. Do you think if I were to share this with two friends that they would be happy having one of these pieces? Yeah, they're equal. So this part is the same as this part. So both of my friends would get an equal share of the sandwich. And we call them equal because they are the same amount. Just like in an addition problem, when you have a number on one side and the same number on the other side, it's equal. So these are equal parts. How about if I cut the sandwich like this? Now, do you think my two friends are going to be happy with their pieces? Well, I bet this friend is going to be really happy. But how about the friend that gets this one? No, they're probably not going to be very happy because the parts are not equal. And when we have two parts that are not equal, we call it unequal. Kind of like if you're not happy, you're unhappy. Well, if you're not equal, you're unequal. So what if I had to share my sandwich with 4 friends? Can I cut 4 equal pieces? Let's see. Maybe if I cut it in half first into 2 equal pieces, and then I could take that, cut it in half again. Do you think that my 4 friends would be happy getting a piece of this sandwich? How come? Yeah, they would be happy because all 4 pieces are the same. No one's getting a tiny piece while another person gets a big piece. So we're going to look at some shapes and decide if they are equal or unequal. And for all my shapes, I'm going to start with this hexagon. So I've got my hexagon here, and I'm going to take 2 trapezoids and put them right on top. So now I can see that it takes up the whole hexagon. So this whole one piece, but look, there's 2 trapezoids. Are these pieces equal or unequal? Are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. So it's an equal part. How about this one? What if I were to take 1 trapezoid, 1 rhombus, and a triangle? Get them on there. Would this be equal pieces? Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3 pieces. What if this was a piece of chocolate? Would you want this little green piece? Probably not, because it's not equal. It's smaller than the other 2 pieces. And this rhombus is smaller than the trapezoid. So this is unequal. Let's try another one. I got 3 rhombi. That's what you call more than 1 rhombus. It's a rhombi. So I have 3 rhombi. 1, 2, 3. Are they equal? Are they the same? Yes, these three parts are equal. All right, let's try one more. Last one. I've got 2 rhombi and 2 triangles. How about if this was a piece of chocolate? Would you want one of these little triangles? Why not? Because it's not the same. It's unequal. So today, as you're working through your book, you're going to be deciding if shapes are equal or unequal. As always, if you have any questions, please send me a message and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much.